In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to host a landing page on Hostinger. If you've created a static website using HTML, CSS, and maybe a little bit of JavaScript, and you want to publish it online so people can visit it using your domain name, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. The best part is that this method works for simple landing pages, portfolio sites, product pages, or any static website. You don't need complicated tools or advanced coding knowledge. Everything can be done directly inside your Hostinger dashboard in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, your landing page will be live and accessible on the internet. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign into your dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look for the section called Websites. This is where all the domains and sites connected to your account are listed. Find the website where you want to host your landing page and click on Dashboard next to it. This will open the management panel for that specific website. Inside this dashboard, you'll see different tools that help you manage your site, such as domains, emails, databases, and files. Since we want to upload a landing page, we'll need to access the file system of the website. To do that, locate the section called Files, and then click on File Manager. The Hostinger File Manager works very similarly to a normal file explorer on your computer. It allows you to upload, edit, delete, and organize the files that power your website. After opening the File Manager, you'll see several folders. The most important folder here is called public_HTML. This is the main directory where your website files need to be placed. Anything inside this folder becomes accessible on your domain. Go ahead and open the public_HTML folder. Now this is where you'll upload your landing page files. Your landing page should usually include files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, or other assets used by the page. To upload them, click the Upload button inside the File Manager and select the files from your computer. If your landing page project contains multiple files and folders, the easiest method is to upload them as a zip file first. After the zip file finishes uploading, simply right-click on it and choose Extract. Hostinger will automatically unpack all the files into the public_HTML directory. Once extracted, you should see your HTML file, along with any CSS, JS, or image folders. One very important thing to check here is the name of your main page file. For most websites and hosting environments, the home page must be named index.html. This is the default file that loads when someone visits your domain. If your main file has a different name, like landing.html or home.html, you should rename it to index.html so the server knows which page to display first. To rename a file in Hostinger File Manager, simply right-click the file and select Rename. Type index.html and save the change. After confirming that your files are uploaded and the main page is named correctly, your landing page is basically live. Now open a new browser tab and type in your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com. Once the page loads, you should see your landing page displayed exactly the way you designed it. If you don't see the changes immediately, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes it can take a few seconds for the latest files to load. And that's all there is to it. You successfully hosted a static landing page on Hostinger using the File Manager and the public_HTML directory. This method is perfect for quickly publishing landing pages, marketing pages, or simple static websites without installing any CMS or additional software. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more website and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.